The colored circles of life are going all around you, looking amazing. But then this happens to them. They crumble up and make a beautiful pattern. And yeah, glowing stars come across the sky very slowly. And then they become colored circles. As they all fall down, they rotate, rotating around each other. Looking amazing. The twinkle looks amazing. Then the same thing happens again. They become what turns into purple and blue, liquids running across. Colored circles turn into this. But how does starlight turn back to colored circles? Well, we never know. Maybe it may never. The starlight will always become stars. Later, stars will on you, being amazing, flying down to the earth at the speed of everything that they come across. They will come down. They will come down faster and faster. And as long as they're rotating, they will always do this cycle. But if they stop rotating, the cycle will die. The world will fall. Everything in its path will go with it. Everything. Except for the one little stars that always stay and try to make more colored circles floating across the sky. Goodbye. And the colored circles may always be with you.